Last time we looked at some prepositions of time, so hopefully you're feeling more confident about when to use this. Today we're gonna be learning about prepositions of place, which can be confusing too, but after this video you're going to be experts. Let's check them out. We use at to refer to shops, buildings, and public places in a town or city. Hey Liz, let's meet at the park.
Perfect. I'll show you what I bought at the bakery.
Sweet! I'll be at the hairdressers until 5, so let's meet at 6 o'clock. We use at with school, home, and work. Oh, hi! Where is Thomas?
He is at school.
I see. What about your dad?
Dad's always at work until 6 p.m.
And Jessica?
She's at home.
Oh, okay. Bye!
Bye. Do you remember Laura and Ramiro?
Yes, I think they once lived at number 12 St. George Street near to our school.
Yes, and you live on Candelaria Street, right?
Yes, I live at number 5.
Well, they live there at number 7 now.
No way! It's typical to use on for the following situations. I know I left my wallet on the table. Are you sure? Is it this one? No, it is not. Could you please hang this painting on the wall? They live on the 15th floor.
Yes, and there is a shopping center in the same building.
Yes, I'm here. The household appliances are on the 2nd floor.
Oh, good.
I was on the train talking on the phone.
Where are you sitting?
Oh no, I can never find a seat on the train. We use in to talk about when you're inside something, like a country, an area, or a building.
I know my book is somewhere in this room. Can anyone see it?
I think your mom took it with her keys.
Oh, where are the keys?
Well, she left them in the garage. Maybe the book is there. Complete the conversation on the screen with in, at, or on. Pause the video so you have more time to think about your answer. How did you find the conversation? Did you get all the answers right? Don't forget to comment which topic you want to see on the channel and to subscribe. See you!